Hi, I'm Marianne Bonetti, and today I'm going to tell you about how to keep your larkspur or your delphinium or any kind of tall, spiky perennial, how to keep it blooming all summer. And the secret is in the pruning. Now, usually I use, bypass pruners like this to cut through woody stems and fleshy stems, but this is kind of delicate work. So I'm going to use these kind of needle nose, kind of more delicate pruning tools to get right into the stems of these delphiniums, larkspur here. So let me show you what I mean. To keep these beautiful blue blooms coming off summer, I'm going to take the main stalk, right when I see the petals are starting to fall off, I'm going to cut this main stalk, and this encourages all these side shoots to keep blooming all summer. So cutting back the main stalk, fertilizing with Osmocote, an all-purpose plant food, and then watering in the fertilizer, that's what keeps these delphiniums coming all summer long. So let me go in here and show you how. I get down in here, and you can see the joint right where the stalk, right above where this next budded one is. That's where I'm going to cut it off. Now I'll be able to use this as a cut flower indoors, and now all these side shoots can encourage. So you can kind of see as we go down, the border here, I've got some candy tuft, more delphiniums, blue lobelia. The border is kind of a whole story of blue and white, and by proper pruning and feeding and watering, you can keep your perennial garden going for months. This has been Marianne Bonetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.